I like this shit, yo. I want to get one of these hoes. This different, nigga. This different.
What you think about it?
Different, nigga. That shit different.
No.
He coming. He coming.
Letting this nigga drive the Z.
Left or right?
Right.
That shit.
Keep going straight, keep going straight. Go down this way. I think it's a U. Pretty sure it should be. Shit, look at the Banshees and everything.
Hell yeah. It's the block right here.
It's the block. My fault.
Yo. I think that was, no, I wasn't there. I was like, hold on.
What?
That shit looked familiar. Nah, but we far from that spot. I like this shit, yo. I want to get one of these hoes. Oh, play it, yo. I want a fucking Nismo now. Fuck out of here. This shit feel nice. This shit way different from a Civic, I'll tell you that. Almost.
That's that stage 3 with that first gear. Brembo brakes, nigga.
I love it. That shit stop instantly, nigga. This shit pick up though. This shit some scary speed right here, nigga. What?
Slaps right here.
Watch out, little nigga. different, nigga. That's different. Like, this response on this is different, nigga. Hell no. Hell nah, nigga.
I think you can go on this one.
And then you didn't even put none of the shit on yet.
Nothing.
Damn.
Nothing. Stock. This is stock boy shit. Hey, you can go down that way or you turn it. It's pushed down and then we're just, yeah. I can't get out the Z life, nigga.
This shit make me want one. Oh man.
Too addicted.
This shit is crack, nigga.
Too addicted. That boy still got the stick shift touch. And that's a stage 3 clutch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn, I must not have felt
so
that
I already
shit
know when you was over there a little bit, it was kicking in.
Yeah.
But once you get used to it, it's just mad. So I just let my little cousin drive the Nismo. You feel me? What you think about it?
Different, nigga. That shit different.
He used to have a stick car. He the one with the single cam on my channel, but now he got the daily, you know, the TSX vibes.
I think that's gonna have to be the second car, nigga. The daily and the Nismo. Oh man.
Alright guys, I was gonna shoot my outro, but as you guys could tell, of course, it started raining. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of my little cousin driving the Nismo, and also me doing a couple flybys. If you guys did enjoy that video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. Road to 1,000 subs. I'm almost there. I'm about 20 subs away, I think. So help me out. 1,000 subs if you want to keep watching content on my 350Z Nismo. And also, if you like Florida's car scene content, subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, you my dog for real. It's guarantee we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.